to show how our solution works, basically how the ZDX works currently, we wanted to show how to present how to build one of our potential new product in live demo. Yeah. So basically, we have board, which is CIO Seed Studio. This product will called the gym body. This product will become it will help during the exercises. It will analyze your reps. It will analyze the amount or speed or quality of the exercises happen. I will explain how one of the pieces of our approach will looks like. So basically, at the left side we have still working the ZDX agent, which is basically building the whole system. But at the right side is our drivers forge. What does it mean? Of agents, which is building the solution. Like you see, we can build multiple teams. Like let's say I will create the random one. Yeah, and because I forget that this board require manual reset during the flash, because there is no SWD output. I mean, there is no SWD socket. There is only bootloader. So later, for sure, we'll fix that. But for now, we ended with the live demo.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now you are moving this and it's showing the accelerometer.
So,
okay.
Yeah. So basically, I just decide to build like the Python reference model to present the data for us. So we have working firmware with fully functional production ready. This is key. Production ready firmware, which is basically here. I know that this is not that easy to see, but basically this is the workspace is fully functional. It's covered the tests. It's covered the CI. It's covered the really great architecture. I can show where this apps we call the gym body, and here is the modules. So basically, in the main file, we have like source in main. We have almost nothing, like basic implementation, and then we have fully functional closed in the scope of responsibility architecture, which is really important. Yeah, so basically now we can add, move, do whatever we want with the firmware, and it is secure. I mean, AI agent, we do this for us. This process to achieve that level, it will take at least a week, but not with that quality. Because in that case, it will be like just MVP for 1 week. In that case, we have fully functional production-ready code, which proof that we are doing the job. And of course, this is not the end. This is just first step. The framework is still working. Yeah,
it's still working. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, this is also something like what we made for iTitan, but that's a real product. It's already in the market. Okay.
Yeah, related with the Titan, it was something much more advanced because so basically here are the boards. So this is version 1st, and I don't have version 2. Okay, doesn't matter. So this is Oracle's product. What does it mean? This is like radio via Bluetooth. What does it mean? This means that we can broadcast the audio without pairing with Bluetooth peers. Yeah, and why it was more difficult? Because we always need 2 boards, at least 2 boards, because one is sync, one is source. So that's why it was more difficult. Also, the issue was a little bit more complex because at first we had to build those, and then we had to find that with the standard. But there is no much standard sync sensors, and if they are in somewhere, then they are more like closed, so we cannot use them like we expected. So we implement the let's say validator of Auracast on Android emulated phone. So basically, we connect via the USB cable to the ZDX, the Android phone, and using MCP server, we managed to analyze the Auracast via ZDX. I mean, the agent was analyzed, and basically now the Titan project have almost 12,000 tests, different tests. So this is a lot. No one was write this, and this proof that this proof that this firmware is bulletproof. Yeah, because everything.
This is like we can call our EDX or ZDX. This is something like a autopilot that you have in an aircraft. That means just because the aircraft has autopilot, it doesn't mean you can fly it without a pilot. So you still need a pilot who will sit and take control if something happens. But autopilot you can trust and sit back. So this is like ZDX. So ZDX is autopilot. It takes care of everything. You have a problem, you fix it. Time to market is the most important thing that we have here. Like how fast we are bringing the product to the market.
Yeah. So basically, in that case, we reducing the time to market from weeks to days
or hours.
Yeah, and of course, there is one more important thing, that because in those 4 hours, I just sit. I mean, a part of those break, I just sit and wait. So in that case, I can manage another project basically. So we can do 2, 3.
It is not like it's not like you are going to sit there for 4 hours and check everything, but you just could do something else, and then the 4 hours is running on the background. So that means you saved even the 4 hours of time.
Yeah.
Other than the initial setup and final review, this is like probably like half an hour max.